Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by ensuring your iPhone and Apple Watch are paired and running the latest updates. This avoids sync issues. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and go straight to Face Gallery. Once there, scroll the categories and pick a base face that fits your needs. Make sure your photo album or complication sources are prepared so you can add them immediately. This saves time and cuts errors during customization. Now you customize. Pick the face style and tap Customize to change colors, dial elements, and layout. This dictates readability at a glance. Then add complications. Select each complication slot and assign apps or data like weather, activity rings, or timers. For photo faces, choose an album, set layout and filters, and enable motion or depth if supported. Take a moment to preview. Subtle contrast tweaks improve. When you're ready, tap Add in the Face Gallery to send the customized face to your Apple Watch. Once synced, press and hold the watch face on the watch and swipe to select it. Make sure complications populate properly. If a complication shows empty, confirm app permissions on your iPhone and watch. If syncing fails, restart both devices. If that doesn't help, unpair and repair the watch, which resets the connection and usually resolves stubborn sync or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.